Luscious Boos, I'm Lucille Liqueur, and today I'm going to show you how to make quick, boo, delicious meringue cookies. That's right, I'm going to go ahead and pop in your egg whites. Then a little pinch of ta-ta. I love saying that. You want to whisk it on a 2 until it's nice and frothy. We'll add sugar in 1 tablespoon at a time. Whiskey in a bowl, whisking, whisk. Once you put your fingers in it, it won't be gritty. So that's how you know it's done. So you want to go all in, go nice blob, and then go thin at the very end. Now you want to get another piping bag. This is for the little arms. This one's been to the gym. His arms folded down. This one's doing something suggestive. Yeah, another cheap joke. Now you want to pop them in the oven now for 30 to 40 minutes until they are nicely done. You'll know when they're done. Be furnished to the touch. Little end. Now it's just for the eyes and the mouth. Not much pressure. Stop there. A little bit of blush. There we go. Very quick, boo delicious meringue cookies. Alright my little luscious bees, stay deadly and delicious, and as always stay safe.